Hello, my name is Omar Toledo. I am a Java instructor, and in this video, we're going to start learning JavaScript. Okay, so let's going to start with a simple example. This is just an HTML web page, right? Just HTML, the head, the title, JavaScript example one. And this is the body. So let's going to add just an input box to the body. Okay, input bottom, much better. Input type bottom. Okay, value equal okay, and I'm gonna save. Just gonna preview that. I am using brackets just in case. Okay, this is a button, right? Okay, so now when you use JavaScript, you're gonna make your web page dynamic, right? So our job using JavaScript is make, something dynamic, add some logic to on our web page, right? Okay, so you got the idea. How can we gonna do that? The tag that we use to introduce JavaScript in our web page is script. Okay, script. So once you added the tag script, you're gonna be able to create methods. In JavaScript, we call that a function. Okay, if you know Java, right, you know that we create methods, right? In JavaScript, we create function. It's the same thing. For example, let's gonna create a function or method. Function. It's gonna call that display message. Okay, you see function, the name of the method, parentheses, and then curly braces. Okay, I would like to add a pop-up message, for example, in this function. So I would like that when someone call the method, the function display message, displayed a pop-up message. So we can use the window.alert. Okay. And inside we can set right there. Okay. So we just called the function display message. What is inside this function? It's just a Windows alert. We're gonna see that in some minutes. A message that is gonna display right there. Okay. So now, what is your job as a developer? Is link, in this case, for example, the button click me, right? Okay. You wanna link that. You wanna link that. So this input button, you wanna link with the function. How can we wanna do that? Adding event. Okay, let's gonna add an event to this button. Associate that. So what happened? When someone click on the button, click is the event that there are many events. Now we're gonna use the event on click. It means that when someone click on this button, what happens? See that we're gonna call the function display message. Okay, got the idea? We are linking, okay, the button with the function. How? With the onClick event. So now what happened? When someone click on the button, we are going to execute everything that is inside the curly braces, right? Inside the display message function. header. Okay? See that? How is this JavaScript? Okay? So in this video, I just show you how to display a message, right? You can create, for example, a variable as well. So how can we create variables in JavaScript? Var none, for example. You can initialize the variables. Whatever. Okay? So you can set, you can later, for example, increment the variable by one. Okay? So if you wanna add a variable, just create the variable like this. So you don't need to, if you know Java, right? You know that when you create an integer variable, you will have to use int, double variable, double, float, long, short, byte, whatever, right? String, boolean. Okay. In JavaScript, just create variables like this, var, and you don't need to specify what kind of data type. Okay. Depending of the data, JavaScript is gonna know, or you will have to tell JavaScript what to do with the data. Okay. Just in case you want to create variable, you can use that. So, but what's happening? I would like to see what is the value of my variables. You use in Java system.out print to display inside the parentheses the name of the variable, right? Display the content of the variable, right? So what can we do here? There is a console.log utility that is going to help you to display your variables. For example, the value of none is now. Okay. So how come we're going to use console.log? Let me show you. Here, if you use Google Chrome, you can go to more tools and then developer tools, right? Okay. Click console. Okay. Let me click on the bottom. What happened? Hi there, right? Okay. See that the value of 9 is 1. So whatever we wrote here, the value of, and then concatenation with the variable, you're going to be able to see that using the developer tool console. So it's going to help you to debug if your variables are okay. Okay, so in this video, you know now how to create variables, right? How to see the content of your variable using the console.log, and how to use the window alert. Okay, also you know how to associate now the event on click, right, with a function using JavaScript. Okay, I hope this video helped you. Thank you.